Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to enable developer options in Excel sheet, Microsoft Excel. So here inside page layout data, so you're unable to find developer options, right? So just go to click on file, go to the options here. Here you will see different type of options of Excel, like changing the general settings and all. So just go to here, customize ribbon. So in this ribbon you need to enable the developer. So just see here in customization ribbon in right side, so there is an option, right? So here you have to enable this developer. Okay, just enable it and click on OK. You'll find all this under the developer option. So see, here it is. So developer, here you can see macros, visual basics and all projects and all. So you can record the macros here, and you can create the visual basic projects for macros, and you can do anything whatever you want here. So in this manner you can enable developer options here, and you can do your own customizations of Excel sheets.